Get ready to survey the incredible diversity of foundation models available on Amazon Bedrock. Your architectural superpowers start here. Welcome back, everyone. In this module, we are embarking on a fascinating journey to survey the supported foundation model families available on Amazon Bedrock. One of the most powerful value propositions of Amazon Bedrock is that it does not lock you into a single proprietary model ecosystem. The artificial intelligence landscape is evolving at a breakneck pace. A model that represents the state of the art today might be surpassed by a competitor's model tomorrow. If you hard code your application to a single model provider, how can you stay competitive? You simply cannot. That is why Amazon Bedrock champions the philosophy of model choice. It provides a unified, serverless API that grants you access to a curated selection of the world's highest performing foundation models from leading AI startups and Amazon itself. This flexibility allows you to perfectly match the right model to your specific use case, balancing critical factors like cost, latency, and capability. Whether you need to generate highly realistic images, summarize massive legal documents, translate complex languages, or write production-ready code, Bedrock has a specialized model family ready to assist you. We will be exploring model families from providers like Anthropic, Meta, Mistral AI, Cohere, AI-21 Labs, Stability AI, and of course the Amazon Titan family. Each of these model families brings unique architectures, distinct parameter sizes, and specialized training datasets to the table. Some excel at creative writing, while others are purpose-built for enterprise data retrieval. Understanding the distinct strengths and optimal use cases for each of these foundation model families is an absolute superpower for an AI architect. Let us dive in and explore the incredible diversity of models available at your fingertips. Look at this incredible versatility. A single Bedrock API effortlessly branches out to connect your applications to premier text, image, and embedding foundation models without complex configuration. Let us start our survey with Amazon's very own foundation model family, Amazon Titan. The Amazon Titan family represents a suite of powerful, multi-purpose models developed internally by AWS. They have been trained on vast, high-quality datasets to provide broad applicability across diverse enterprise domains. What specific capabilities does the Titan family offer? It is incredibly comprehensive. The family includes Titan text models, like Titan Text Express and Titan Text Lite, which are optimized for tasks like summarization, open-ended text generation, and conversational Q&A. But Titan goes far beyond just text. The family includes the Titan Image Generator for creating highly realistic images from text prompts, and crucially, Titan Embeddings models. The Titan Multimodal Embeddings model can actually convert both text and images into high-dimensional vectors for complex similarity searches. Let us examine some code to see how we invoke an Amazon Titan text model via the Bedrock API. Let's break down this Python code snippet to understand how we interface with the Amazon Titan family. First, we instantiate our Boto 3 Bedrock runtime client. Then we construct our JSON payload. Notice the specific schema required for Titan? We pass our prompt into the input text parameter. For our inference configurations, Titan expects a nested JSON object named text_generation_config. Inside this object, we set parameters like max token count to control the maximum length of the output and temperature to regulate the creativity and randomness of the generated response. What is the exact identifier for the model? Next up, we have one of the most popular and highly capable model families in the world, Anthropic's Claude. Anthropic is an AI research company heavily focused on building safe, reliable, and interpretable AI systems. The Claude 3 family, currently available on Amazon Bedrock, is a massive leap forward. It includes 3 distinct models, Claude 3 Haiku, Sonnet, and Opus. How do they differ? Haiku is the fastest and most compact model, optimized for near-instant responsiveness on simple tasks. Sonnet offers a perfect balance between intelligence and speed, making it ideal for enterprise workloads. And Claude 3 Opus is their most powerful model, exhibiting near-human levels of comprehension on highly complex reasoning tasks. Crucially, all Claude 3 models feature massive 200,000 token context windows and multimodal vision capabilities. Let us look at how the Messages API is used to interact with the Claude 3 family in Python. Let's analyze how to format requests for the Anthropic Claude family. Unlike the Titan models, the Claude 3 family utilizes a specialized Messages API format designed for multi-turn conversational interfaces. Instead of passing a single string prompt, we construct an array of message objects. Each object specifies a role, which is typically user or assistant, and an array of content blocks. This structure is incredibly powerful because it allows you to pass both text and images simultaneously for multimodal analysis. What about the payload structure? In the request body, we must specify the Anthropic version string, set our max tokens limit, and pass our formatted messages array. In the invoke model call, we define the model ID. Here we are specifically targeting anthropic.claude-3-sonnet-2024-02-29-v0.0. Bedrock handles the execution, and the response object contains a highly structured JSON output. We parse the content array to extract the assistant's generated text response. Mastering this Messages API format is critical for unlocking Claude 3's advanced reasoning and multimodal features. For Claude, we encapsulate our multimodal data into a messages array, send it seamlessly to the model, and then extract the intelligence directly from the resulting content array.
Let us transition to another heavyweight in the generative AI space, the Meta Llama family. Developed by Meta, the Llama models have made a massive impact on the artificial intelligence community because of their open weights philosophy and incredible performance. Amazon Bedrock provides access to multiple iterations of this powerful family, including the Llama 2 and the newer, highly advanced Llama 3 models. What makes the Llama 3 family so special? Meta Llama 3 models are optimized for scenarios ranging from edge devices to complex enterprise solutions. Bedrock offers variants like the Llama 3 8B Instruct and the massive Llama 3 70B Instruct models. The 8B model is incredibly lightweight and resource efficient, making it ideal for tasks like simple text classification, sentiment analysis, and rapid text summarization. But the 70B Instruct model is a true powerhouse. It is tailored for highly sophisticated content creation, complex logical reasoning, and nuanced dialogue systems. It excels at following intricate multi-step instructions and generating high-quality programming code. Furthermore, Llama models utilize a unique prompting syntax involving specialized tokens like the begin of text and start header ID markers to clearly define system, user, and assistant roles within the prompt context. Because the Llama architecture is so widely adopted in the open source community, there is an enormous ecosystem of developer tools, prompt templates, and integration guides available. By leveraging the Meta Llama family on Amazon Bedrock, you combine the flexibility of an open architecture model with the unparalleled security, scalability, and managed infrastructure of the AWS cloud. It is an extraordinarily potent combination for enterprise developers. When interfacing with Llama, properly structuring special prompt tokens is paramount. These specialized inputs drive the 70B Instruct model to produce breathtakingly complex code and text generation. Now, let us explore a model family that is laser-focused on enterprise utility and productivity, Cohere. Cohere specializes in building foundation models designed specifically to solve practical business challenges, focusing heavily on natural language understanding and advanced data retrieval. Amazon Bedrock hosts a comprehensive suite of Cohere models, divided primarily into two categories: the command family for text generation, and the embed family for vector representation. Let us talk about the command models first. What are they? The Cohere command family includes models like Command R and the incredibly powerful Command R+. These models are highly optimized for conversational interactions and complex tasks like retrieval augmented generation, or RAG. Command R+ boasts a massive 128,000 token context window and is specifically trained to excel at utilizing external tools and retrieving information from vast corporate knowledge bases to provide highly accurate, grounded responses. It is an absolute game changer for building enterprise search and virtual assistant applications. But Cohere's capabilities do not stop at generation. Their Embed English and Embed Multilingual models are industry-leading tools for semantic search. These embedding models convert massive volumes of text into dense mathematical vectors, capturing the deep semantic meaning of the content. This allows your applications to perform highly accurate similarity searches across more than 100 languages. By combining Cohere's embed models to build your vector database and utilizing Command R+ to generate context-aware responses, you can construct a world-class end-to-end RAG architecture entirely within the secure confines of Amazon Bedrock. This synergy is incredibly powerful. This end-to-end RAG architecture perfectly illustrates Cohere's strengths. The embed model mathematically encodes your corporate data, which Command R+ then retrieves to generate a strictly grounded, accurate response.
As we continue surveying the Amazon Bedrock landscape, we must highlight two highly innovative model providers, Mistral AI and AI-21 Labs. Let us begin with Mistral AI. This European AI startup focuses on creating incredibly compute-efficient, trustworthy, and powerful models. Their lineup on Bedrock includes models like Mistral 7B Instruct, the Mixtral 8x7B, and Mistral Large. What makes the Mixtral 8x7B so fascinating? It utilizes a highly advanced sparse mixture of experts architecture. Despite its compact size, it intelligently routes inputs to specific expert subnetworks, allowing it to process complex reasoning and coding tasks with the performance of a much larger model, but at a fraction of the computational cost. Amazed? Furthermore, Mistral Large provides top-tier multilingual capabilities, effortlessly handling intricate tasks in languages like French, German, and Spanish. Now, shifting our focus to AI-21 Labs. Their Jurassic 2 model family is specifically engineered for advanced text comprehension and generation. Bedrock provides access to models like Jurassic 2 Mid and Ultra, as well as their specialized Jamba Instruct model. The Jurassic 2 models are exceptionally proficient at tasks like open book question answering, detailed text summarization, and precise metadata extraction. A standout feature of AI-21 models is their ability to follow highly specific formatting instructions without requiring excessive negative prompting. Whether you need the compute-efficient, expert routing architecture of Mistral AI for low-latency coding assistance, or the highly instruction-compliant text comprehension capabilities of AI-21 Labs for document processing, Amazon Bedrock ensures you have the exact tool required for the job. Take a look at the sparse mixture of experts magic. The prompt enters a router which dynamically delegates the cognitive load only to the most relevant expert subnetworks, drastically enhancing compute efficiency.
For our final stop in this foundation model survey, we dive into the visual realm with Stability AI. While we have discussed many large language models, Amazon Bedrock also excels at image generation. Stability AI provides access to models like Stable Diffusion XL and Stable Diffusion 3.5 Large. These models use advanced latent diffusion processes to generate breathtaking, hyper-realistic images from simple text prompts. You can even use them for complex image-to-image transformations, in-painting missing areas, or out-painting to expand a canvas. So, with all these incredible model families, Titan, Claude, Llama, Command, Mistral, Jurassic, and Stable Diffusion, how do you choose the right one? Selecting the right foundation model requires a strategic evaluation framework. You must deeply analyze your specific business requirements. Does your use case require ultra-low latency for real-time chat? If so, smaller models like Claude 3 Haiku or Llama 3 8B might be optimal. Do you need complex logical reasoning across massive legal documents? Then Claude 3 Opus or Cohere Command R+ are likely your best bets. You must also evaluate computational cost, context window limits, and multilingual support. The ultimate best practice is to leverage the Bedrock playground to experiment iteratively. Run identical prompts across multiple models using the compare mode to objectively evaluate response quality, latency, and token cost side by side. By mastering this diverse catalog of models, you unlock the true potential of generative AI. I hope this comprehensive survey has empowered you to architect robust AI solutions. We invite you to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and visit quicktechie.com for premium, recently updated material as per the latest syllabus and certification prep, including Q&A banks, ebooks, audiobooks, full training, and interview guides. This simple but effective evaluation framework guarantees success.
We map the strict business requirements, assess our model catalog, rigorously test within the playground, and confidently select our champion.